you're looking to whip up a storm, then look no further than this machine here at Colchester Machine Tool Solutions. This machine delivers on precision, power and performance. It's got rigid roller guideways for accuracy and high speed performance. In the x-axis it can go from 600 all the way up to 2 meters, 24 tool ATC with a twin arm, so that basically makes tool changing a lot faster. It's got a big plus spindle as standard. Wow. Okay, so that's going to give taper and face contact, so it's great for machining tough materials. Oil cooled spindle, swarf auger as standard, 4th axis preparation included through spindle coolant preparation. But this machine here is built for quality every time. It's got a FANUC OIMF control. Look, if you're looking to cut materials like P20 tool steel or tough alloys, then this machine here is definitely one to consider. And guess what? They've got a fantastic finance deal on it. So no deposit to pay, nothing to pay for 3 months with some great interest rates, but also they are giving you, if you buy this before the end of the year, 3 years warranty, including parts and labour. So get in touch with Colchester Machine Tool Solutions.